Hello children, today we are going to learn something fun in English, that is collective noun. The title of our chapter is Together We Can, which is perfect because collective nouns are all about things that are together or in a group. So ready for learn collective noun. First of all, we need to know about what is meant by noun. Noun is a name of a person, place or thing. Noun is also called in Hindi Sagya. Here we need to know how many kinds of nouns are there. Proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, abstract nouns. So in this video we are learning about collective nouns. Collective nouns, Samuhvachak Sagya. Collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animal or thing. That is, collective noun is a group of people, animal or things. For example, herd, bunch, class. Some other example also we can learn with the picture. So in your textbook, some example will be given. You can see the first example, a bundle of sticks. Here the bundle is a collective noun and that refers a group of sticks. You can see the picture of group of sticks, that we say the bundle. Second example, you can see in this picture the group of sheep are there. The collective noun come here, herd, a herd of sheep. The herd is a collective noun that refers to group of sheep. Third one, a pack of wolves. Here pack is a collective noun that refers a group of wolves. Then fourth one, a bouquet of flowers. Here the bouquet is a collective noun that refers to group of flowers. Then a grove of trees. Here the grove is a collective noun that refers to group of tree. Then sixth example, a swarm of bees. Here the swarm is a collective noun that refers a group of bees. Then seventh number, a choir of boys. Here the choir is a collective noun that refers a group of boys here. Then eighth number, a bunch of keys. Here bunch is a collective noun that refers a group of keys. So children, you can see in this picture a flock of birds. A flock here the collective noun that refers a group of birds. There here is a collective noun is a flock that showing a group of birds. You can see in this picture that we say a flock of birds. One more thing children, you note that collective noun is considered in a singular form. You see here a flock of bird. Here a using for their singular form. You also remember that collective noun is always considered as a singular form. A pack of wolves. A pack is a collective noun. A herd of cattle. Here the herd is a collective noun that refers to group of cattle. You can see in this picture. A school of fish. A school is a collective noun that refers to group of fish. A pride of lions. Here pride is a collective noun that refers to a group of lions. A swarm of bees. Here swarm is a collective noun and that refers the group of bees. A colony of ants. Here the colony is a collective noun that refers to group of ants. A troop of monkeys. Here the troop is collective noun that refers to group of monkeys. A gaggle of geese. Here the gaggle is a collective noun that refers to group of geese. A team of horse. A team is a collective noun that refers to group of horses. A pod of dolphins. Here pod is a collective noun that refers to group of dolphins. A litter of puppies. Here the litter is a collective noun that refers to group of puppies. You can see in this picture. The murder of crows. Here the murder is a collective noun that refers to group of crows. Parliament of wolves. Here the parliament is a collective noun that refers to group of wolves. A bunch of grapes. Bunch is a collective noun that refers a group of grapes. A flight of stairs. Here the flight is a collective noun that refers a group of stairs. A bouquet of flowers. Here a bouquet is a collective noun that refers to group of flowers. You can see in the picture a bouquet of flower. The cluster of stars. Here the cluster is a collective noun that refers a group of stars. A band of musicians. Here the band is a collective noun that refers to group of musicians. A staff of employees. Here the staff is a collective noun that refers to group of employees. A fleet of ship. Here the fleet is a collective noun that refers to group of ships. A convoy of trucks. Here the convoy is a collective noun that refers to group of trucks. Here you can see the group of trucks are there. A range of mountains. Here the range, it will be collective noun that refers to the group of mountains. You can see the range of mountains. A galaxy of stars. Here the galaxy is a collective noun that refers the group of stars. You can see the galaxy here. There will be lots of stars are there. A crowd of people. Here crowd is a collective noun that refers a group of people. A panel of judges. Here the panel is a collective noun that refers to a group of judges. A troop of scouts. Here the troop is a collective noun that refers a group of scouts. You can see the group of scouts are there, that we call a troop of scouts. A suit of rooms. A suit is collective noun that refers a group of rooms. A chest of drawers. Here the chest is a collective noun. Quiver of arrows. Here the quiver is a collective noun that refers a group of arrows. String of pearls. A string of pearls. Here string is a collective noun that refers a group of pearls. A pack of cards. Here, the pack is a collective noun that refers group of cards. A bale of hay. Here, the bale is a collective noun. A heap of rubbish. Here, a heap that is collective noun that refers to group of rubbish. A stack of books. Here, stack is a collective noun that refers the group of books. A bundle of sticks. Here, the bundle is a collective noun that refers a group of sticks. A pile of cloths. Here, a pile is a collective noun that refers a group of cloths. A basket of fruits. Here, the basket is a collective noun that refers a group of fruits. A set of tools. Here, the set is a collective noun that refers a group of tools. A troupe of dancers. Here, a troupe is a collective noun that refers a group of dancers. A league of nations. Here, the league is a collective noun that refers a group of nations. A platoon of soldiers. Here, the platoon is a collective noun that refers to group of soldiers. A company. A company is a collective noun. Here, company is a collective noun that refers to group of actors. A bevy of ladies. Here, bevy is a collective noun that refers to group of ladies. A caravan of camels. Caravan is a collective noun and that refers to group of camels. An army of ants. Here, army is a collective noun that refers a group of ants. A bench of magistrate. Here, the bench is a collective noun that refers a group of magistrate. A band of robbers. Here, the band is a collective noun that refers a group of robbers. Here also, children, you know that collective noun is always considered as a singular. If you see here, before the collective noun, using a or an, that will be showing you the collective nouns. It will always consider as a singular form. Thank you for watching this video. I think you learn something new from this video. So children, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Rahul Study Spot.